Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add drawing tools on TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to tradingview.com, and for this demonstration I'm going to be using the Bitcoin charts. So from here, once you're on the particular crypto stock or whatever it is, we need to access the full chart to access the drawing tool. So from here we need to click onto full chart. Now this is going to take us to a new page where we've got these different options on the left hand side, all these different drawing options. So now if I want to add in some drawing tools, I'm going to hover over the brush and there's a little arrow there where it's got geometric shapes, so we can add in brushes, highlighters, we got arrow markers, arrows, arrow mark up, arrow mark down. We've also got shapes, so we can put in rectangles, rotator rectangles, path circles. You get the picture. So to add any one of these in here, if I want to do a rectangle, I can just click here and just add one here like so. And now if you don't want it on there, just go ahead and press Control Z to delete, and you got heaps more of these. So we got, if I click onto here, you got projection, we got forecasts, we can add in bar patterns, long position, we can put them in here and play around with that. So yeah, that's how to add drawing tools on TradingView.